Welcome to CyberSecurity. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use AI, artificial intelligence, to generate a code for port scanner in Python and how to use that code. So we can go to ChatGPT and type our message. We can type Python port scanner script. So we get the code generated for us and also how to use the script. So we need to read this one. We need to copy the code and there are instruction over there. We need to have Python already installed and we are going to save this script to a file port underscore scanner.py. You can choose a name of your liking, but you need to then pass into Python that specific name for the file. So for now, we are just going to keep this name and we just need to copy the code and save it in a file. I will open an editor. You can use editor of your choice. Just gonna paste it and we are going to save it. And to run, we need to type in this Python or Python 3 and the port scanner .py. Then we also need to input the details. We need to enter the target host IP address or domain name, and we need to specify the range of ports that we want to scan. For example, from 1 to 1024. So let's try that. Just open our terminal. And I will check first that we have that Python script in my current directory. So this is the one over here. Just need to type in Python or Python 3. Just gonna do Python port scanner .py and just hit enter. And it is asking us to enter the host to scan and also providing an example. So I'm just going to give the IP of my local system. So I'm just going to do and start port. I will select 1024 and just hit enter. So yeah, the scan was quick and we are able to see these ports are open on my system. So this way you can use AI to generate code for your cybersecurity. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.